Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be unboxing and testing the remote-control Toyota FJ Cruiser car. I'm super excited to unbox and review this beauty, so let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the packaging. It's sleek and eye-catching, with a transparent window in the front, allowing you to see the Toyota FJ Cruiser car, even without opening the box. It's definitely an attention grabber on the store shelf. Now, let's get to the main event. I took this Toyota FJ Cruiser car out of the box and drove it around the house and outside for a while. And I can tell that this remote control car certainly doesn't disappoint. Let's now open this attractive box up and see what's inside. Opening the box, we see this Toyota FJ Cruiser car and its remote control are securely packaged using white plastic screws. This RC vehicle provides hours of thrilling entertainment for both beginners and experienced RC enthusiasts alike. Another great feature of this car is that it comes with a rechargeable battery, so you don't have to keep buying a new battery every time it runs out. This remote control car also comes with a 0.6-meter USB charging cable. The charging time is relatively quick, so you won't have to wait too long to get back on the road. Let's now remove the plastic screws. Next, we have the remote control, which is used to steer the Toyota FJ Cruiser car in any direction you want. Let's check out this remote control. It's lightweight and ergonomically designed, fitting comfortably in my hand. The buttons are intuitive and responsive, allowing for easy operation. This remote control requires two 1.5 volts batteries, size AA, which are not included in the box. Behold! Our sleek and stylish remote control Toyota FJ Cruiser car toy is perfectly nestled in its protective packaging. Let's remove it from its packaging and get a better view. Are you ready? The attention to detail is remarkable. The body of this car is made of high-quality plastic material, and the design captures the essence of the iconic FJ Cruiser. The color choice is fantastic, too, with a vibrant yellow that adds to its appeal. The yellow color is the color of warmth, sunshine, and positivity. At the bottom of this Toyota FJ Cruiser car, you can find the battery compartment and the on or off switch. You will need to install the included 3.7 volts rechargeable battery. Let's now give this car a test drive. I am going to test this RC car on different flat surfaces. This remote control car is not an off-road car. This little Toyota FJ Cruiser is a blast to drive. The performance is impressive, with smooth handling and excellent maneuverability. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced hobbyist, this RC car is sure to provide hours of entertainment. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with this remote control FJ Cruiser Toyota car. It's a fantastic replica that captures the spirit of the original vehicle.